Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a IDW map of a data. Here I have opened my ARC map and I have this data for Pakistan administration boundaries, and I have, let me show you the attributes. Okay, so I have this population data in it, which is representing the population of different districts, and I'm going to make a map of make a population map of from this data. So first thing that I can do is, the simple method is to just give the symbology to it. If I go to the properties and go to the symbology, here I can go to quantities and then graduated color, and here I have to just select the population field, and then I can select the number of classes that I want to create. For example, let's say I want to create 10 classes. Then I will click apply. Okay, and we have this map right here, but as you can see, it's not smooth, right? So the shade is the difference between shade is not smooth. There is a particular line that we can see, and I don't want that. So for this purpose we use IDW tools, and to use an IDW tool we need point data. So first of all, I will convert these polygon features into point data, and then I will apply the IDW tool. So in order to convert these polygons to point data, I will go to this search. If you don't see this tab here, you can just go here and click on this search tab. This tab will be open, and here you can search feature to point. Press enter. Here this data management tool, feature to point, click on it, and in input I will give it this data, and I will select this inside optional button so that the point will be created in the inside of all of these polygons. I will click OK. It will take some time, and then this tool will be run and we will get this polygon into point feature. We can check the attributes. Here we have this population data that we needed, so it worked perfectly. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I will search here IDW tool, and here we can see 3 IDW tool. We have to use this spatial analyst tool, and before we use this we have to make sure that its extension is turned on. Okay, so for example, for all these spatial analyst tools we need this extension to be turned on, and just like the other one, this is 3D analyst, so if I have to use this one I would turn on this one as well, but right now I'm not using this one, so I will just select this one. Okay, and you can turn on other as well if you want to, but that will make system little slow. So I will recommend only to turn on the extension that you need at that time. So I will close that, and then I will select this tool, and then I will choose this point feature. You can either select it from here, or you can also drag and drop it here, and then I will have to choose this field, which is population in this case, and then this is output raster, this is the cell size. I will leave it as the default values. And one more thing, I will click the environment and I will give it the extent, because I want the extent to be the same as this park administration boundary. So here what I will do is I will select this one, administration 3 boundary, and this will automatically choose the coordinates for this, and then I will click OK, and then I will click OK once again. So it will run and it will create this kind of map here. So next thing what I'm going to do is first of all I will just remove this symbology. So I have got this one here. So as you can see, this is extended to the maximum size of the boundary. So next thing I want to do is to clip this data into this one. So what I'm going to do is to do this I will choose I will choose the data. I will use the tool called extract by mask. Again, it's spatial analyst tool, so I will turn so I had already turned on the extension for that. You can also choose this clip data, but right now I will use this one, extract by mask. In extract by mask I will give it the raster input, raster as my result, and then I will choose the boundary, which is Park Admit 3 boundary, and then I will click OK. So it will take some time and then it will give you the final result. So now I can remove this one as I don't need this one, and for this one I will go to the properties, and here I can adjust the symbology. I can adjust the color here, so you can try different colors, like for example this one, or this one we had earlier. So now you can see this look pretty smooth and there is no lines and other stuff, and I can even I can remove this one and I can use this boundary as a whole, so that, and I can increase its size as well, the output line size, so that I can see the whole image. Okay, so here you can see the difference between both these maps. You can choose the approach that you want in your map, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like it, then please like and subscribe, and also share it to your friends and fellows. Thank you.